This is Kmalawoffice advocate from Kmalawoffice, litigation expert. So, do you feel any difficulty in delegating your important work to your juniors or in your business if you're a business owner? If yes, this video is for you. So, in this video, I'll guide you with the process of delegation. And more than a process, what is more important than a process is the mindset while delegating the work. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द माइंडसेट कि आपको कौन कौन सी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी है और क्या माइंडसेट आपको रखना है व्हेन यू आर डेलीगेटिंग योर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क. सो नंबर वन, you must accept the failures while delegating the work for the first few times. When you first delegate the work, you are bound to fail. Even I failed number of times while delegating the work to my juniors, to my other associates. Sometimes it backfired. Sometimes my associates backfired. So you must accept the failures and you must learn the failures and then move on from that learning, invite that learning to your next delegation. So you should not stop once you fail. The second thing you need to remember while delegating the work is that while delegating the work, you have to be an abundance mindset. It is not that once you've delegated, you are feeling insecure that my junior would run away with the work, or he would run away with the client, or that may backfire, that may not backfire. So you must have an abundance mindset while delegating the work. And trust me, once you're in abundance of mindset, nothing that such is going to happen. And if that happens, that is their karma. That is not you. And if you have abundance mindset, everything else would set apart to work for you. Now I just come to the process of delegation कि आपको delegation करनी कैसे है. So the process of delegation is very simple. Number one, आपके standard operating procedures क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या guidelines हैं, क्या minute चीज़ें दिमाग में रखनी है. Everything should be jotted down and everything should be told in a systematic manner to your junior or in your business while you're delegating the work. So this is number one. Your standard operating procedure must be in place. So the second thing, second process is that आपको ये 4 स्टेप मॉडल फॉलो करना है. वो 4 स्टेप मॉडल क्या है? आई डू, यू सी. पहले मैं कर रहा हूँ, आप देखिए कैसे होता है. For first at least 2 to 3 months. Then you do, I see. आप करिए, मैं देखता हूँ. Third step is we both do it together. Let's do it together. And the fourth step is you do and nobody sees. So once you have these 4 steps in place, I am so sure that you will be able to delegate your good work, your important work to your good juniors, and they will also grow, and you will also grow, and your firm would also grow. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it would help you in delegating your work. Again, this is Kunal Madan, advocate from Kmalawoffice, litigation expert.